Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm outside the shop and we had a little boo-boo with the car. Got my roof done recently. I don't have a video on that, but the contractor came in and he brought this trailer, this elevating trailer, to take off stuff. And well, needless to say, my one taillight got the taillight or tailgate of the trailer, so busted the taillight. And yeah, so instead of replacing it with a stock one, I decided to go aftermarket because I wanted something different, and I knew I wasn't going to reconfigure the stock taillights for quite some time. So I figured, well, the money he gave me, I can change the taillights and go from there. So these are the taillights. You can see that. So these are Enzo. Got them here in Canada. Pretty decent price. I think it was like $5.60 for both shipped. Not too bad. So yeah, I'll show you the damage. It's bad enough. I got tape on it now, but this is all gone. Gone. I will show you how they go in, and I will show you final product, which is where I'm more excited. I think they're gonna look even better at night, but I need to know what they look like in the day so I don't get accidentally rear-ended. So, like, I used to be a mold maker for lighting, and for the most part this is pretty solid construction. I'm gonna like it. It came with bulbs, it came with the trim piece, which is normally red, and it came with gasket, so I don't have to worry about having an old gasket and it leaking. So again, there's only 4. My mistake. There's only 4 bolts or nuts on this. Okay, so 4 nuts, 10 mil, and pretty easy. Let's get at these. You gotta take this little guy off, and that's pretty self-explanatory. And then 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the tricky one, is up there. But other than that, they're pretty easy. So you get those undone, and this should literally pop out, just like that. Shoop. This one was pretty toast. That aside, and this little clip, you see this little clip right here? This little clip goes into that little clip, so it holds it in. Sure. Well, one installed. That actually looks pretty slick. I love it with the black. So I'm gonna do the other one off camera. It's not hard, and I'll show you the end result. What does everybody think about this? I think they look freaking really sharp. So In these taillights, there are 3 different kinds. There's the smoked, which is these ones. There's a red version, and then there's a chrome version. I'm not big on chrome, so smoked I went, just because it's black too. So I'm gonna turn on the lights and we'll see what the running lights look like. Alright, so that's the running lights. That's what happens when you're driving and no brakes. So I'm gonna tap the brakes and see what that looks like. Was that good? I don't know. I didn't see it. I'm gonna check out the signals and maybe even reverse. We'll see. See how bright reverse is. Yeah, I like it. It looks good in the smoked. No chrome. Awesome. And these are the reverse lights. I think I might have to go brighter bulbs for reverse lights, just because it's dark driveway for me. I think these are fantastic. There was a little hiccup on this one, where this little clip thing wasn't screwed down all the way, and I had to trim a little bit of flash. Other than that, I think they look really good, and for the most part, I'm super happy with them. I can't wait to do it at night to see what they look like. So leave me a comment. Do you like these lights? Do you like other lights? Do you like the stock lights? Everyone has their different opinions. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment if you like these or not. I like the smoked ones. I don't like the chrome or the red. I already had red, done with red. Smoked, just wanted something different, and the roofer kind of helped me out. So hope everyone's good, and I'll see you next time.